Using the magnet. Swipe the magnet in line with your neurostimulator while you say, counting 1, counting 2, counting 3. This instructs the neurostimulator to record brain activity so that your doctor is able to identify the event during data review and make adjustments to the neurostimulator settings as needed. Talk to your doctor to find out when you should use the magnet to record your brain activity. NeuroPace recommends you collect data from the neurostimulator at least once a day and send data to the website at least once a week. To learn more about using the magnet, please refer to the RNS System Patient Manual available at neuropace.com/resources.